What's up YouTube, Tech All-Star here. And for all you newcomers, my channel is drifting and automotive content. So I'll be showcasing my progression as a driver, the things that I may encounter along the way, and eventually I'll be able to go toe-to-toe with the best of the best. So if that's something that interests you, you're more than welcome to stick around and enjoy the show. What's up YouTube, Tech All-Star here. And in today's video, we're gonna be messing with my exhaust. So I got this exhaust from my coworker who had a 2018 Mustang. As you can see, there's a valve in there and actually zip tied that one open. See, there's a little notch. I put a zip tie through that and then a zip tie through that zip tie to hold the valve open. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. But first we actually have to drop the exhaust so that I can actually have enough room to do it. Once I got the exhaust down, it was kind of hard to film myself putting the zip ties in there, so I just zip tied it open, and therefore now the pretty much be full open and full loud. Now if you want to support my journey, of course go on my website and buy some merch. I have 2 t-shirts and a hoodie available on the website, and it'll greatly help. Now if any of you have watched my last drifting video, I ended up breaking the handbrake, but kind of finding out that the handbrake wasn't broken. And you can see right here, I'm trying to see if there's anything broken. It does look like I stretched one of the cables, but then what I ended up doing, I put the handbrake down so that it'd be loose enough for me to mess with. And once I got back up under the car, I was kind of checking to see if it was broken, but like I said, it looks like the cable was just stretched. And I ended up tightening up the little nut right there, which is a 10 millimeter nut for the handbrake. I tightened it by hand, and believe it or not, that actually tightened up the handbrake enough to where it actually locks both wheels perfectly fine, just like it used to. As a little cold start with the valves open. And that's gonna do it for this video. Just a little quick maintenance on the Mustang. And if you enjoyed this video or any of my other content, and if you wanna see more content just like this, of course, like, comment, share, and subscribe, because there's way more things coming for the Mustang, and we'll be taking drifting to the top. I'll see you guys in the next one.